Every great ice cream begins long before it reaches your spoon. It starts with fresh, quality milk, straight from the farm. Each batch is carefully measured before the process begins.
Sugar and cream are blended to create the perfect base.
Slow, precise mixing keeps every ingredient perfectly balanced.
Next, the mixture is gently heated to ensure it's safe and pure.
High pressure breaks down fat molecules for that silky texture.
The mixture is rapidly chilled, locking in that fresh, creamy quality.
The base rests and matures, developing its rich flavor. Now the flavor comes to life. Rich and full of aroma.
Air is gently folded in, creating that light, creamy texture. Each portion is filled with precision and care.
Delicious swirls of chocolate add the perfect finishing touch.
Real ingredients bring texture and irresistible crunch. Precision robotics ensure every detail is picture perfect. A deep freeze locks in that perfect, creamy firmness. Each cup is sealed to preserve its freshness. Each cup is sealed to preserve its freshness and flavor.
Every batch is checked to meet the highest standard of quality.
Bright, vibrant packaging gets each cup ready for the world.
Careful packing keeps every product safe on its journey. From factory to freezer, ready to reach every store shelf. The result? A perfectly crafted scoop of pure indulgence. Every spoonful reflects the craftsmanship behind the process. From farm to freezer, true quality is made with care.